So today's problem is that I'd like to sort this list of names in order alphabetically by their last name. Currently, I can only sort by really their first name. For example, if I choose Z to A, we'll sort the list Elton through to Albert, and if I choose A to Z, we'll sort it back Albert through to Elton. But I'd like to sort it through by the last name, but I can't because all the text is in a single cell. So the solution to this is to separate the first name and the last name into separate columns. So if I highlight the text that I want to separate into two separate columns, I can choose Data and I can choose Text to Columns. You'll see down here is a preview of how the data is going to look. But if I choose Next, I can choose how to separate the first name and last name. Now I know there's a space between the first name and last name which I can use as a point to separate the two. So if I choose space, we now see that in the preview we've separated on that space Albert into one column and Cucumber into the next. And here I can make some decisions about the formatting if I want to, but I'll just leave the formatting it is. So if I go Finish, we now see the text has been separated out as first name and last name. So if I highlight this now, actually if I click in here, now I can sort by surname, so I can do A to Z, and we should see it's sorted apricot through to egg. Similarly Z to A, egg through to apricot, but I'm able to sort now by last name. So in short, in summary, when you have text all in one cell and you want to sort by a particular part of that text, one thing you can do is separate into separate columns, and to do that we can go Data and Text to Columns.